Welcome to the Moodle quiz activity. You simply click on a setting and turn editing on and click on add an activity or resource. Click on a quiz activity. Basically, quiz activity, teacher creates quizzes, student can attempt quizzes, teacher can grade also. Click on a add button. You can write the name of the quiz number 1, and this is a description basically optional for you, and click on a timing. You can select the open the quiz date and close the quiz date. For example, we can end the quiz 28 April, and number of minutes for the quiz only 10 minutes. Open attempts are submitted automatically, meaning if students have internet problem or any kind of connectivity problem, open quizzes are automatically submitted. And grade, basically grade to pass, attempts allowed. For example, 10 to pass, attempts allowed, number of attempts 1, 2, 3, we can select 1 attempt. And layout, basically layout means how many questions in a single page. Every question, every 2 question, every 5 question totally depend upon you. We can select every 5 questions. Question behavior. Question behavior shuffle. Shuffle mean questions are shuffled within each other. And review option, there are a lot of review options. The attempt, whether correct, marks depend upon a teacher or a instructor. Which option do you want to show the student or hide from the student? If you want to hide any option, you simply click on a button, and these options are hide from the student. In appearance, in the appearance basically belongs to user. You can click on a small image display for the student or student on the quiz activity. Extra restriction, you can also generate password for the extra restriction. Overall feedback, you can write anything about feedback of the quiz. Common module settings, ID number, group mode, no non-grouping, restrictive access, you can restriction on a quiz as well. Activity completion basically is the belong to tracking activity. You can also track whether the student attempt the quiz or not. Tags basically used for the keywords or for the SEO purpose company. And click on save and display. At this time we can create all settings for the quiz, but we didn't add any quiz. Click on edit quiz and click on add button. A new question from question bank, a random question. From question bank and random question. From bank, we can cover the question bank in the later tutorial. Add a new question. New question, basically there are a lot of options. We can explore only multiple choice and simply click on add button. And this is a basically category. Default for Moodle is basically course name. You can for the quiz and also for the system. We can select only default for Moodle. Quiz name, quiz text. Quiz name mean question number. Question number 1. And question text, you can write any type of, we can simply copy from the question text, and this is a basically question. Default marks 1 answer only. You can also allow multiple answers from there. Shuffle the choices also. Number of choices, if you want to number of choices started with the capital ABC 1, 2, 3 depend upon you. We can simply ABC. This is a basically choice number 1. You can simply copy choice number 1, German. Next is basically this is a grade none. If you want this option correct one, you can simply 100%. But this is a none. Basically correct option is this one. Written. You simply select the text. And this is basically our correct option. 100%, and you can next select the choices Arabic and French. Third is Arabic. Fourth one is basically French. And this is basically if you want any kind of additional feedback you can add. And common feedback setting, your answer is correct, your answer is partially correct. Depend upon you if you want multiple tries, plenty for each incorrect one. We can give multiple tries as well. And tag is basically and save changes. And this is a question. From the front end, we go to the basically course and try to attempt the quiz number 1. And this is basically option. This quiz is closed on a Tuesday. Attempts allow attempt quiz now. Click on a start attempt. And this is a basically and click on a finish attempt. This is all from the quiz activity. Basically, this is only one question. How we can add bulk of question, or how we can create a quiz bank, we will cover in the later topic.